Welcome Year 7. In this lesson we are going to be creating a poster based on the world of work and computer science. Remember that research we did and those key demand skills. So what you'll need to do is refer back to those skills, and also you will be looking at the definition of the human skills like critical thinking, emotional intelligence and creativity. So on your poster you're going to include all of these items in the left-hand column, not the definitions, maybe some images if you have space, but you will need to include the definitions and the skills that computers don't have. So you'll be including this section on your poster too. Okay, so look, let's have a look at the software that we're going to use. So it's an online piece of software and it's called Canva. So when you go to Google, just search for CNVA, Canva, press return, and it should be, if you spelt it right, be the first hit. So you're going to click on that. And what you're going to do, you're going to sign up for your Canva account using your Jebel Ali account. So click on sign up. And then what you'll need to do is, I'll just sign out of mine. So just make sure you sign up and make sure you sign up using Google. But actually, I've already done it, so I'm going to log in using my Google account, but you'll need to sign up first time. Now, let me show you once you're in how we can get started. Okay, so we're going to create a poster design using those world of work skills. Now, first thing you need to do is click on create a design, and we're going to go down to poster. Okay, once you've clicked on poster, you need to look at, this is the canvas, okay, and at the moment it's blank, and we're going to use the blank template. So we're going to ignore these here. We're going to leave it to your own design skills to build your own poster. So the first thing you might want to do is change the background color of your canvas. So click on it once and you've got this icon here, and you can change the background color by choosing color from here or generating your own from here. So I'm going to quickly go for something simple, a plain blue background. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to have a look here on the left hand side. The first tool I'm going to show you is the text tool. That's here. Now you can either add a simple heading here or use one of the more interesting designs here as your headers, but I'm going to quickly use heading. So as you add it here, you can change the font here. You can scroll down, look at all the different fonts. You can also change the font size here by selecting from the drop down list or by typing in a number. You can change the font color here by clicking on there, and you can also change the alignment and also add an effect if you want. You can then move it using the move tool here, and also if you want you can rotate it. To edit the text, you double click to highlight, and you will obviously give it a title that's relevant to the poster. So I'm going to say computing and the world of work. Again, I can click on that and move it where I want to. I could add a little bit of a rotation there. So there is my title. Also on the left hand side here, you've got elements. These are basically preloaded images and shapes. So for instance, if I was to add a shape here, click on it once and it will add it. You can move it around, you can stretch it, you can rotate it. You can give yourself an interesting background to write text in. You can also again change the color here. Very simple, and that's how you add an element. You can also add preloaded backgrounds, so you click on there. You can scroll down here and give yourself a pattern background if you want. Give yourself an interesting kind of design. Just be careful with backgrounds and enabling your text to be viewed on top. Also, you can add photos from the gallery. You've got thousands and thousands of photos, or millions. You can look through here. You can use the search function to find images. You can also use the internet. For instance, if I was to go to Google, and from the images, I was to download an image, you know how to do this. Right click and save image as, and save it onto your computer or onto your Chromebook. Then on Canva, you'll need to go to Uploads and then Upload Media. Choose that image from your device, select it, and then open, and it will be uploaded into your folder. Okay, and then you can select it here. So let's just do that quickly. So I've downloaded a picture of a computer. I click on open, and it will be stored in your gallery here. And then you just click it and it will be added to your poster. So that is how you add an image from the internet, upload it into your gallery, and then input it into your poster from your gallery. And anything else I need to show you here, you've got photos, elements, text. Once you've finished, well, before you finish, you need to make sure it's saved. It does save automatically because it's online, it's cloud computing, but just to be sure, click on File and Save, but it says here all changes saved. And once you've finished, you can download your finished file. So click on Download, and then you can either choose it to be downloaded as a PNG or a JPG or a PDF. Okay. Once you've chosen your file type, probably PNG is a good choice. Click on Download, and your file will be downloaded onto the local drive of your device. And that is how you create a poster in Canva, very simply. Remember to refer back to your research for all the keywords that you need to include on your poster, and a little reminder that you must include definitions of human skills, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity, not the definitions of your in-demand skills here, just the headings, just the actual key terms. Okay, I look forward to seeing the results of your poster. Take care, and I will see you in the next lesson.